Hi guys, this is David Osaime. So today is 7th of April, right? And this is the first day and the first trial of me learning how to ride a car. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this is Dami. So we'll be the videographer of the day. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Alright, so this is Emmanuel. He's my tutor.
So do not start car first now.
I have no idea.
Yeah, turn it off.
Oh, I go press one of these stuff.
Yeah, turn it on.
Should I bring out the camera?
No. Just that's ignition.
Okay.
Turn it on.
Again? Wow.
You're using only this leg.
Which one is brake? The last
The middle one is your brake.
is
The other one is your accelerator.
so I should press on the
Yeah,
brake.
press put your leg on the brake. Put your hand on your steering. This is how you put your hand.
Okay.
So use your other leg to pull out the foot brake. Are you holding the brake?
No. I'm not
Like
doing
is your leg on the brake?
Yes.
So yeah, use this other leg. It's okay. Put it
This
in
is
drive.
neutral.
Yeah.
This drive. Then this one is what?
This one is for is to adjust the gear. This one is like the speed. You want to go faster or go slower.
Okay.
So this is your
So
drive.
it's on drive.
So are you ready?
Yeah.
The way you press the brake,
Yes.
put your leg on the accelerator slowly. Just go slowly.
I should
Put
press
your
the
leg on the
accelerator.
accelerator slowly. Slowly. Okay. Control it. Yeah, slow down. You slow down the tone. Car fit burst out for you like that. So you guys, no stop. I say you go just slow down. You never get out on the radar.
Nah, no, I feel say nah, as they talk,
Slow
I they
down,
try,
slow down.
they listen to you.
We just wait for you. Yeah, just stop the car. Stop. So let's say you turn like
Yeah.
this. This one has turn is slow. Yes, at least. You don't see.
Yeah.
Go by yourself.
If not me, I go down jam am o.
Yeah, they turn your hand. It's actually small. They turn hand. Yeah, slow down. Sharp. But now I'll go sit you down on sharp.
Okay, so this one is just direct.
Yeah.
Part.
This one is like it's your first time, so you just
Yeah. So-
move your leg from the.
So how am I doing?
You never start to.
Hey.
You never start, yeah. But yeah, accelerate slowly. Slowly. You don't have to match it, just slowly. Yeah, fun.
Not finish, you just stop.
Yeah, the way you turn, put the steering back.
Turn your hand back.
Yeah, continue going. Yeah, slow down, don't stop, slow down, slow down, slow down. No, wetin you dey do abeg? You're going to don't guy, you just dey panic. Dey go slowly abeg. No need to go with speed, just go
Okay.
slowly abeg.
So I want to move back to this lane.
Yeah. Yeah, slow down first. No, you not get it.
I didn't slow down.
You not slow down. Swear your seatbelt, abeg. Just swear your seatbelt. Wait, dey.
Where the seat belt?
That's easy.
Yeah, check if car dey come for that side.
No.
Yeah, come. Straight your hand. Yeah, they slow down like that. They slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Yeah. Accelerate. You always check this side. If you get too close,
Okay.
put your hand back. Yeah. Come. Yeah, slow down. Yeah, slow down. Yeah, accelerate.
Oh yeah, so my coach, how did I perform?
So the first day experience, I won't say it was bad, but his turning was actually good. Like he did well in his turning, but he just needs some improvements. And
Alright.
in climbing bumps too, he needs to learn how to slow down so he does not climb up with speed. And he still has other stuff to learn, but today is just like day one, sha. There's
yeah,
room for
no.
improvement.
Oh yeah, Dami, what do you have to say? Let me give Dami mic. So what do you have to say, Dami?
He has to improve on his steering and brake, especially. He wants to climb bombs. So he has to improve with that. And for his the one he tried.
All right, thank you so much.